Yes, Precious is pregnant. And due to how graphic this is, I won't show you the process by request. I'll just show you the after effects. This is where she is, swollen belly, panting. Nature's about to take another course.
The daddy's here.
The daddy's there. There you go. That's him. Being Duping as always. Young, you ready to be a daddy? You're going to be a young daddy.
A 1-year-old daddy and a 4-year-old mom.
Alright, y'all. The time now is 1:39. I predict 3 puppies. At least 1 brown one. And possibly an all-white one. But we'll see. Again, the time is 1:39 a.m. What's the date?
The 12th.
April 12th.
Do you see him?
You see him? You want her to drink water?
That's what she's done.
Precious, anything you want to say to the audience? Good girl. Your first set of puppies. Precious. O.H.Philms, ladies and gentlemen. Precious having a puppy. 2008. Don't wake up. There you go. And that's just
He's ready.
they have this already on like people, horses having babies, and they get a lot of views. That might be another brown one.
Oh, it's trying to come out.
At least be a boy.
Boy, girl, boy, girl.
I don't even keep mine away.
What is it? Oh, good.
I got it since if I needed to pick the puppies.
Oh. He's really gonna shoot that one out.
Look at that right there.
Oh, that one's coming out butt first.
He kicking.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Yep.
Don't squeeze the baby. I'm not squeezing it. He's a doctor. You pull it.
You have to.
Wow. Does that hurt her?
Oh, his head is stuck in here.
Mama seen his head first, and that's not good.
I can't look at that. There it is. Baby. Baby number 2. That's 2.
Good job, Precious. Good girl. Say cheese. Good girl, Precious. You pooed? What's the word, Chris?
Oh.
It's still doing it. That thing is huge.
That's the buck.
Look at this junk off me. I got afterbirth juice on me. That's why he messed up. Tried to back up. But you what this way for a dog. That one didn't bump him. There's another one in there though. Let me see how to turn that light off. Let's turn it up a little bit.
Push, Precious. Push.
This is Precious. We haven't named them yet, but we're gonna keep them for 2 months.
What kind of dogs are they?
It's a Seashoe, 3 Seashoes, and 1 mama Seashoe,
And one day.
and 1 daddy Seashoe. That's the buck. That's the daddy.
Oh.